What are we doing today, Jamie?
We're going back to Project Blackfield. For some reason, 3 cubic meters of something. Last we heard about this job, they were getting an underground basement extension. But yeah, we've got to find out. We're both going over, which is a rare treat.
Yeah.
Wait, my question is,
go on.
Do they still have the dumper there?
That was exactly what Kev asked me, and I have no idea.
Because otherwise, it'll be a barrow job and we'll probably be pitching in, won't we?
Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Oh, yes. Or eat, Kev.
Catch me looking professional again.
So we head downstairs, see some welding, see a beautiful dog, and then go and bother Kev a little bit. And then we strap in our valuables and we head off to site. Yes, safety first.
Please.
Now it's my turn. Before I get sick of following Kev at whatever speed he's doing, I just thought I'd say I didn't expect us to be coming back to Blackfield in Prestwich. That is a surprise to me. I guess we'll see what we're getting into, because we're going into this completely blind. All I know is that we've got concrete there. It's 3 cubic meters worth of concrete that are booked, and we're going to go and film whatever happens, and it should be pretty fun. It's a bit of a callback episode, I guess. It's reminding me of how we used to film the videos. Get over there, we're only 20 minutes away now, so yeah, I guess I'll see you there. The Jamie has arrived. It was definitely a lot worse when we were here the first time. I mean, you guys will have seen it. We underpinned all around this side of the house, from there all the way down and around, and inside as well. I think there were a total of 27 piled underpins. Oh my, they were awful. And also, getting the wheelbarrows through the house was incredibly difficult because it was very tight. The corners were ridiculous. Now, come in and have a look at this. Hell of a difference down there. They've entirely gutted the inside of the house. It's now fully open plan in a condition similar to an empty shell. This is only the base line of this massive building project. What we thought was 27 piled underpins has turned into an extremely challenging project. Far greater than I think even the customer thought it would be. The guys at Final Fix and us here at Rhino have our work cut out for us with this one.
And it goes that way. It goes quite a ways that way as well. We've been right down and we still can't see the bathroom. Like it did. No, that's just one big bucket. Imagine how many fucking loads of spoil have come out of this.
Oh my god, yeah.
And how do you get rid of it? Because you can't get a grab wagon down here.
Yeah, no, where does it go? Over there? Over here?
Remember when you were here last though?
I remember.
That was mounded right up that fucking big pile as well.
It was, yeah, it was all like that.
And it's all fucking gone. Unless they pushed a lot of it that way.
Well, yeah, that's it.
But even still.
It's a big enough drop.
That is a big fucking hole. Concerned now, we were saying about this gable fucking, if it's cracking, it's got acros on it. Well, our lot have got to put fucking piles round it.
And all them vibrations, don't it? Here's a thumbnail for you. one of these.
That's scary shit. How much further down they've gone? They were the ones that we.
Oh my god!
Fucking hell now.
What? Why? Oh my word!
That's immense, isn't it? They have done some proper fucking hardcore digging here.
How? As well, logistically, how? They're not hand digging that, surely. Yeah, here's a different angle of what's going on over here. Crikey, oh right.
Minimalistic and actually have this as their balcony.
These parts of the old steps, these are all the lintels or
They're
something.
amazing, them.
Can I keep those green, beautiful green tiles? They're lovely.
We're also pouring out the dump truck.
Well, I'm happy to drive the dumper.
So in between the loads, I can just sit in the cab, you see. Now, it doesn't matter, but
When do you start new again?
a week on Friday.
Hello, darlings.
Oi, oi.
You might as well. I don't know, 'cause I couldn't get in there. I could get the chute down. Yeah. I'll let you go through under the chute without
Onward.
being stuck into the road.
Oh my god, this is like Mad Max.
Fucking Canaan's on the other end. Go on, check it for a spin.
Go on, lads, I've got it.
Go on, he's steering it.
This thing's got no fucking go in it. Come on.
Oh, James is mad at you now, dude.
Now that Tweedledum and Tweedledee have finally arrived with the dumper, we can discuss the plan for how we're going to get this concrete down there.
There's a one, I think the other one was a 3 ton, you know.
It wasn't, it was the same, it was literally the same size as this.
But I wanted to say.
Quick, take it away, take it.
Oh no.
Now, of course, we had to drop off all of the things we were going to need to pull this concrete job off. That includes not only the wheelbarrows for concrete, but also some steel bits and bobs that the lads need to get the cages in. Oh, you're okay there?
Yeah.
You stop messing. I'm short as it is, Caden.
waste no time at all getting this ring beam in, because they are just as keen to get this job finished as we are. With that, we only had one more thing to take down that wasn't concrete with the dumper, and that is this gigantic 2.8 metre long cage. Could we have carried it those 100 metres? Yes. Should we have put it in the dumper? Maybe not. Did it work? Absolutely. It's hooked on this bit, so you have to push it off the leg up. Thank you, my mate. I will do, chap. Just give me 2 seconds. Alright, I can go back now. Right, steady now, like. A quick inspection of these newly installed cages and Jaden's mug tells us that this job is now pretty much ready for concrete. Tidy. Concrete time, I think. So we began pouring the concrete the quickest way that we could, which was to take the dumper, fill it with concrete, drive it back, fill the barrows with concrete. Every run filled almost precisely 6 wheelbarrows of concrete. So, all in all, for a job that was quoted at 3 cubic metres in volume, this is looking like best case scenario for us. A final tamp and level is applied to the last little section of this footing inside the house. And with that includes our job as the concrete guys for this particular job. Raindrop, drop top, smoking in a cooker in a hot box. Anyway, yeah, so as you can see, this end, level, 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 all the way level, and around, and to the end. Done. Smashing stuff. All in the day's work, eh, lads?
And a night.
And a night.
Part of your night.
Yeah, part of your evening. So despite the rain and despite my perhaps questionable experience driving a dumper, I can honestly say that this drive to go and give it back was a bittersweet one. Yes, I was absolutely soaking wet. Yes, I was covered in all manner of things, concrete, dirt and rust. I really just didn't want to give it back because it was so much fun to drive. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little unexpected return to Operation Blackfield. Very cool. Glad that we were inside during all this downpour. I'm going to pop all the camera gear away now and help them pack up. And that'll be us done for the time being, but we are doing that house extension on the back of the property some point in the near future, so stick around to see that. Definitely be filming it, and have a great weekend. See you later. So that's that. The inside of this Victorian bungalow needed a footing. I can honestly say this is an absolute first for us. I've never seen someone need a footing inside of their house, but Operation Blackfield is one of the most weird and quirky and wonderful and terrible jobs for every construction worker involved, because it's so unusual, it's so unpredictable, but it's so interesting the whole time. You're just absolutely blown away by the next step is that, or the next step is, you know, digging a footing 1500 mil deep into the ground. You know, it's a really interesting job. But what do you think about this project? Do you think we're doing a decent job? What are your thoughts on the house? Do you think they should carry on the trajectory that they are? Do you think they should maybe knock it down and just start again? Let us know in the comments. It really, really helps us. If you like this kind of content, we do this every chance we get because it's just so much fun to film, and it's great to see the lads doing what they do best on site, which is hard graft. So I want to thank you for watching. Appreciate you always supporting the channel, and we'll see you next week. Have a great weekend.